Yende oneminyaka engama-28 ungomunye wabesifazane abenza kahle emkhakheni wezolimo. Uyende owangena emkhakheni wezolimo ngo-2020 uyakuphikisa ukuthi abesilisa yibo bodwa abakwazi ukuphatha amapulazi.
Knowing that you're contributing towards the country's food security status, and just it's fulfilling. I found my purpose. So I went into it because I wanted to preserve the farm for generations after me, because I saw that farming is life, and my grandfather used to say that with farming you'll never go hungry.
Uyende usekhethe ukulula isandla nakwabanye abesifazane abafuna ukungena kulomkhakha.
If she can do it, we can. Plus usivulele opportunity platform where as female students we can come and do my practicals wethu la.
Ziningi ke izingqinamba abesifazane abahlangabezana nazo kulomkhakha.
Some of the challenges that I face, especially being young and female, and also our farm being situated so close to the township, include like theft, and we also deal with veld fires. And some of the challenges is farming is a very capital intensive field. And if you don't have any investors per se, or anyone pumping money into your business, so we need to make sure that we always have an income feeding into the business.
Uyende uthi kuningi okusamele kwenziwe uhulumeni ukulekelela abesifazane abafuna ukungena kwezolimo.